Okay, go.
So next we'll be doing an ice pack test. And we'll be using a plastic bag. And you fill it with ice. So let's just assume this has lots of ice. Because we're on 8 months.
Okay.
And then, so the affected extremity should be applied. So first you will fold the bag.
Basta as tight as possible para ma-pack siya.
Okay, like this. So you apply it on the extremity as well. And you put a little bit of compression. And if there is another way, if you get tired
If kapoy, sige.
holding, then you would use
A bandage.
plastic bandage. So you will
Hirap.
Wow.
Kinakaran na.
Takaran.
Kaya just assume nga na-wrap na.
Sakto na ni.
Yeah.
Assume na.
Then you have to check if every 5 minutes, if mag-ice burn. Yeah. That's it, ma'am. Wala na eh. Is that it?
Iingon na lang,
Ice massage.
iingon na lang yung nurse na assume na every time kailangan ka oil.
Oh yeah, assume okay, never mind, you get it. Ice massage. Ah yeah, wait.